Hello everyone and welcome to Watch or Learn again. We started a new tutorial on ArcMap yesterday and we posted a video which shows us that what a ArcMap interface look like. ArcMap is a software developed by SRI. How a ArcMap toolbar looks like, how our interface look like, how our map view look like. So this is a software which is used to analyze the GIS data to visualize the GIS data. But what is GIS? The main question is what is GIS? So a geographical information system, also known as GIS, is a technology we can say a framework for gathering, managing and analyzing data. It is science of geography. You also know it is a science of geography, and it is used to manage, analyze and gather the data. The core of GIS is to create, manage, visualize, analyze, interpret the geospatial data. The geospatial data, for example, the land data, the terrain model, the mountains, the roads, etc. So we use them to create those roads, to manage the data of the road, to visualize how that road look, to analyze the roads. I'm giving you example of roads, so that is why I'm saying that. So next comes that what is the unique capability of GIS. GIS is a unique capability that can cover rich information from data such as relationships, patterns, situations, which will help you to make sorry, which will help you to make decisions. So you can create a relationship with roads to the buildings. You can create a relationships with different type of road like a national highway or the state highway and make a decision according to that. This is an example I am giving. So what are the applications of GIS? So as you see in the picture in the PPT, for example, port might use GIS to provide a safe and secure environment. So on a daily basis, as we know, hundreds of ships pass in a day through a port, and through GIS we can use a real-time map to help the captains to reach safely to the ports to their desired location. So in the ports there are also cameras installed throughout the port that can also be mapped by GIS. So we can say that where we want a camera so that we can have a look at the whole port, a good view, so we can map the location of the camera also by using GIS. So the another example is how a cloth retailer can use GIS to what is the best suitable location he can put his shop to. With GIS he can assess information like crime report, competitors location, the location of the competitors is very important, and the spending habits of the people. So if the location meets some requirement that the crime report is low, the competitors are not so much besides his shop, that location will be the perfect for him. So like this, GIS can help the clothing retailers to find the best potential location for the next venture he's planning. So let's go to what is GIS. Why is GIS so essential? So GIS is essential for understanding that what has happened, what is happening, and what will happen in a geographic area. So what has happened in the past, what is happening in the present, and what will happen in the future. We in the geographic area we can analyze it, we can visualize it, we can interpret the data that what will happen, etc. So in the end I want to say GIS solves spatial problems using geographic understanding so that we can make better decisions about the issues we face on a global and a low scale. So GIS is a very vast science, or we can say geographical system, which will help us in a near future, and softwares like ArcMap, QGIS, and many other softwares are used to visualize the data, to analyze the data, so we can do that. So that's it for now. Thank you.